So what's up guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing my Peerless 2-in-1 shower head, and it has 4 sprays with massaging action. We've had this in our shower for about 10 years and finally decided to replace it. It's up there, the old one. Show you guys that. And it works pretty good. It's been working good for 10 years, but because we tend to go away in the winter time, I don't know if we don't use it for a long time during the colder months, it develops a lot of mildew. Not, it didn't develop, but it because we don't use it as much, it gets that little thing, and it got like a bit of damage. So I'm gonna replace it because it doesn't spray like it used to, and it leaks a bit. So I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. So you see there, it's leaking a little bit. Turn it up. So today we're gonna unbox this one and show you guys what's inside. I bought that one from Amazon, the one that's already in there 10 years ago in 2007, and I just bought this one on Amazon. Apparently they still sell it, so that's really good. So let's just see what's in the package, guys. I'm also doing work in the bathroom. A lot of stuff has to get replaced in here, so excuse the condition of our bathroom. And I hate these plastic wrappers. They're like adult proof. They're like child proof and adult proof. It's weird. So show you guys how it looks. A little bit of instructions in the back. It should come with everything to install. So Jesus Christ. It's a shower head. You'd think it was gold nuggets in here or something. Okay, there, I got a cut. So I'm gonna just go around. You know, iPhones come in like a box you just open, and they're like, how much are iPhones now? Like thousands of dollars now? And this thing is like $30 and it comes in something you can't even cut open. So, put the scissors down. And Jesus Christ, I don't want to damage anything in here, but wow, what an unboxing, huh, guys? Do a screenshot. So you got the shower head in 2 pieces there. It feels really light, actually. Feels really light. It has the rubber seal in there to prevent leaks. But what you guys are going to want to do is get plumber's tape anyway, because that's going to prevent leaks and improve the pressure. So it feels much lighter than the old one. I don't know if they changed the thing. Now, a lot of people complain about this being plastic, but I think plastic is good for a shower head component instead of like I don't know if people have metal ones or what, but the chrome is also, I don't know, I think it's, oh wow, that's really chrome. Because sometimes you get chrome, but it's like plastic, painted chrome. But this is like, that's good. That's actually, you could see how it goes all the way through. So that's good. Good chrome. I'm not familiar with chrome. I think chrome is a type of plastic. I'm not sure. But, oh yeah, this is really nice, guys. This is much better quality than the one I have there. They improved the design a little bit. So you have, this is the main section that adjusts the where you want the water to go. And this is really good quality. And listen to my feedback. There's a bit of there's an angle there, so you could put a wrench and tighten that. My old one was just round, so I had to use pliers to tighten it. But this is nice. You could tighten this with a wrench real easy because it has the it's like flat and 2 sides there. That's really good. And that seal system in there looks let me focus, bring it in. I'm not sure if this, still using my cell phone, guys. I have a 4K camera I don't use yet, but there's something in it that looks like improves the pressure, so that's really good. Now the thing with these things, a lot of people buy them and say it does not improve their water pressure in their shower. It's not supposed to, I don't think, and especially if you have a single nozzle simpler system. Put in a complicated system with 2 nozzles where water's coming out in a wide spray and a focus spray. It's not going to improve your the pressure in your shower or your building or wherever you live or your house. it's not going to improve it. It might actually make it worse because the water pressure coming out your house is actually going to have to do a bit more to come through. So this is everything. It comes sealed with the seals already in there. The rubber seals are in there. And again, you're also going to want to use plumber's tape in addition to this. I realize a lot of people install it with just the seals. And if I remember correctly, the seals aren't the best. So use plumber's tape or go to a plumber's store and buy proper seals. And I believe these seals are like plastic. They're not like the heavy rubber that I've seen before. And let's take a closer look at this. So, oh wow, it smells like rubber and it looks rubber. Last time it was plastic seals they had when we bought this 10 years ago. Now it's rubber seal. So it's a much improved. I think they listened to a lot of criticism on the feedbacks for these, and that seal would just go right in there. But again, you want to use the plumber's tape to wrap the pipes, wrap the threads as you tighten that. So, and both sides are sealed. And I really love this hose. We've had our hose up there for 10 years and it's didn't get mildewed. It stayed very fresh and very loose. So sometimes these get hard and they're not as functional or aesthetically pleasing to look at after a couple of months I've seen in some people's homes. So, but this one has been in there 10 years and it looks good. It works. And I think that's it. You get one. It looks like there's one extra seal in there. Look at that guy. It's all hiding in the corner there. And that's it. I mean, you just get the packaging, put that to the side. I'm not sure where this guy goes, but I'll find out. So you just get that one extra seal there, which is cool. And that's it. And you just get a bit of instructions. Let me just go over this in case there's any new information. It looks pretty straightforward, I think. Yeah, straightforward instructions. So, and this is a Peerless brand. It's not that well known compared to Delta and some of the other faucet makers. But it was effective for us. We've been using it for a while. And like I said, it's no issues with the one we had. It's only because we tend not to have been using it the last couple of years during the winter season. So it, hasn't really been... I think with these, you have to keep using it every day throughout the year. And if you stop using it, then it develops mildew. And I guess from the water, it gets the lime and the calcium deposits in there. But again, we don't really clean this rigorously. We just lightly wipe it down to get some of the stuff off. But because the window is next to sunlight and Hudson River, a lot of that water, that salt water comes off that river and blows right in. Sometimes if you leave the window open in the summer months and the winter months, a lot of the frost comes right in, like it gets really cold, that window. So I guess maybe it just correlates with that. So, but that's it, guys. That's my unboxing for the Peerless 2-in-1. Bye, guys.